Yo, what's up guys, TechRam here, and today I'm back with another video. So this video is going to be about how you guys could fix the looking for next available rig. So I know a lot of people have been having this error, and the reason why I made this video is for that for the one person, but he said it didn't work, and I think I might have found a fix. And as you guys, if you guys watched my last video, then you guys would have noticed that I did write an I contacted the NVIDIA specialist, and I did have an explanation, but I'm just gonna show you guys a quick and simple way, and it might lag your game. Well, I mean, it most likely will lag your game, but I mean, I honestly, I'd rather play the game than like not be able to play the game. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to do that. Well, we can't talk today. So yeah, also guys, I'm like, thank you guys. I'm so, like, honestly, I'm so thankful. Thank you guys so much. Like, the support on this channel has been like crazy, man. I know I only have like 200 subs, but still, like my channel's been growing so much, and I thank you guys so much for that. So yeah, I'm just gonna blur this part out because I'm not trying to let anybody know my network. But yeah, let's just wait, and pretty much let me just explain what this actually does. So you guys don't connect to just specifically Southwest. So you guys really don't have to connect to just Southwest, but you kind of have to look at the NVIDIA servers, which I have over here. So if it's red, so pretty much let me explain why auto doesn't work. And look, automatically, as you guys could see, it literally worked. Like right now, it just worked. The server is because a lot of people don't go on South, but as you guys could see, my thing is working perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with it, and it's like, it literally took like 5 seconds to do it. So yeah, I have found a fix to this, which yeah. So this is pretty much like a trial and error. Let me explain. So pretty much, if you have it on auto, right? Let me just change it to auto real quick, and I'm gonna go to auto, and then try it, and you guys will see that it doesn't work because let me explain. So pretty much, so everybody gets I know every single person has auto, and since like most of the servers are connected or like under maintenance right now, a lot of people are getting redirected to one server, and that can result into like the servers overloading, and then you guys have to wait. So I do remember this glitch like a long time ago, like maybe I don't really remember the date, but it was when the servers were under maintenance. So pretty much, I'm just trying to say that you guys have to look at the other green servers. So you guys first check your what server you're getting redirected to. So I'm getting to US East 2. That essentially means that everybody is going to US East 2. So that's why the servers overload, and as you guys will see that it won't work. It's taking a long time, and if you guys want to do that, then you guys could do that, and it is taking a long time, so you have to set a specific server, and based on that, guys, you guys have to look at this list. So the ones that are red and you guys don't go to, I used to go to US Midwest, but it wasn't working. So yeah, that's why I switched to Southwest. I know Southwest is laggy, like, but you guys just check the other green servers. You guys could go US Central. You guys could go wherever you want that's green, because like if you get wherever auto gets directed, there's gonna be a lot of people going there too. So I'm just gonna cancel the queue, and I'm gonna try US Central. So I'm just gonna go here, and so you guys have to be checking this every single day. So like, okay, so first you have to try auto, and if auto is taking like 2 minutes, then you go to the GeForce server status, check so you pretty much check which server that auto is connecting to, and then you pretty much just look at the other green ones and try all of them. So one of them is definitely bound to work. For me, it's Midwest was working like amazing, but now it kind of just stopped, and now Southwest is working for me. So it's really weird, like, honestly. and sometimes like I don't know, I don't really know how to explain it, but it's just like trial and error. Like some work, some don't work, and yeah, I have crappy internet too, but let's see if US Central works too. So there's like this one that definitely works, and some of them they still work, but they take a long time. So yeah, that's all I needed to say. This is one fix. So for now, I'd say either go to Midwest or go to Southwest. Those are the two places that I go if you're living in Canada. And yeah, I just wanted to say that also. Please join my Discord server if you guys want giveaways, tech support, and all that stuff like that. And you guys just have to experiment. Like always check on this always check on the server status, and based on that you guys could check, and also you guys could scroll down and it'll tell you when the server notices when they are when they are manufacturing the servers and stuff like that. But yeah, they're just planning to fix the servers. They're just trying to do something. I don't know what they're trying to do, but yeah, that's pretty much all I really have to say. Like some servers, as you guys just saw, it doesn't really work that well, but you guys just keep experimenting. So Southwest, sorry, was working perfectly for me. I'm gonna try West, and just note that if it does give you a notification when you're testing, then do not connect to that. Networks is probably gonna say it's probably far away from you. So I did get that, but honestly, I honestly don't really care, because as long as it's working, and sometimes it actually does run smoothly. I normally just go for Midwest 2 all the time, since it just works well for me. But today it wasn't working, so I tried Southwest. And yeah, so for like some people that watched my previous video and saw that it wasn't working, this is definitely a part 2. And yeah, let's just see if like other things work. So right now Southwest is working for me, and obviously it'll still take some time because some people are getting redirected to the server. And like, see guys, look, it works too. So US West worked and Southwest worked. As you guys can see, this method does work. So yeah, I'm honestly like, I don't even know how like, you guys just have to experiment with the servers and see if it does work. And I'm not even lagging as hard though. I'm not lagging whatsoever. It's running really good. Okay, I just got the notification. But yeah, the looking for next available rig is now fixed. It just requires a lot of time and effort. So yeah, I'll just explain it to you guys one last time. So pretty much first you guys go to auto and check what server you're getting to. And so I was getting to US East 2. So that means like what? Okay, so auto pretty much connects you to the nearest one, and a lot of people are on auto. So they'll probably get redirected to most of them would get redirected to one server, because Nvidia tends to go for auto on one server. And yeah, that's what they do. So unless you're like far away, like if you're not anywhere near the server, then they do connect you to a different server. That's why you still get the looking for next available rig. But once this is over, I will notify you guys again. But you guys check on auto, and if it takes a long time, you guys search up GeForce Now server status, and based on that, you guys try every single one that's green. So if this one works, then it works. So and this one also works. Try that one. Try this one. Try this one. Try this one. And try this one. So you guys just have to be really patient, but it doesn't really take like that long. Obviously, I would always go for Midwest, since Midwest 2 and Southwest worked for me, and also US West 2, they're pretty sick too. So yeah, those are the 3 that do work. And for like to this day, and I actually don't know what will happen later or sooner, but that's all you guys have to do. It's really simple. And also guys, like, I'm just gonna try to remind you guys, because I really need more people joining the Discord. I know one person did, but we also have a CAPTCHA. So yeah, that's why if you don't do the CAPTCHA, then you automatically get kicked out. But yeah, let's run this, bro. I'm so happy I could finally play now, and I could tell you guys that. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. If you guys did enjoy, leave a like, subscribe, and To be entered in the giveaway, you need to be in my Discord, like and subscribe, and yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. I'm just gonna wait for this to load up and see if it does work, if US Midwest works too. But if that doesn't work, then yeah, you guys try, and don't go for EU though, because I found out that EU wasn't working that well. So yeah, EU wasn't working, like, yeah, it wasn't working. So you guys don't try out for EU, just try the US ones. So yeah, this is really simple, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I right clicked, sorry. And so US Midwest right now currently isn't working, so these servers could be kind of trippy sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. So that's just like the servers, like I can't do anything about that, but all you guys need to do is just try and see if it works. So yeah, so obviously this isn't working, but like the server, okay, so like I could just tell you guys now that the server that's on auto is always going to take the most time, and all the other green ones, they won't take as long, but some just literally load in like 5 seconds, like as you guys saw from Southwest and US West. So it was really quick, like I'm telling you. So yeah, this is a fix to the problem. It just requires some sort of effort, and I would recommend going to Southwest, like if you're watching this video when it's out, which will probably be today. I'll try my best to do it today. So US Southwest and US West, if that does work, like right now, like as of today, like for me, if you're living in Canada, then Southwest and US West 2 are both working, and yeah, that's all I wanted to say. So Midwest isn't working for me right now, but I'll just quit out of the queue. And yeah, I really hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.